Dude, check this thing out. This is a brand new 2022 KTM 450 SMR. This bike is dialed. This is the perfect Supermoto setup. This thing weighs in at 225 pounds dry and comes in at an out-the-door price of right around $13,600. It's running on a 16.5-inch Supermoto special front wheel and tire. These are Alpina tubeless wheels, and the Bridgestone Battle Axe Supermoto front tire is what we have spooned onto this thing. It is a 125 600R 16.5. In the back, we're running a 17 by 5-inch wheel that's running a 165 630R 17 a radial Bridgestone racing battle axe. This thing is super sick, putting out massive horsepower at a super light curb weight. Click the link in the description below to see the full specs and details.